New York. Former President Donald Trump returned to civil trial Thursday, highlighting his defense, renewing complaints that the case is without merit and praising the testimony of an accounting professor supporting him, the leader of the Republican 2024 presidential race, whose testimony ended after more than 2 months, came to watch New York University accounting professor Eli Bartov. He said Trump's financial statements contain no material misstatements. He suggested that anything problematic, like huge year-to-year jump in the estimated value of Trump Tower triplex, was just a mistake. Trump attaches great importance to the New York case even as he campaigns to retake the presidency and fights 4 criminal cases. He was a frustrated bystander, a confrontational witness and an impassioned commentator outside the courtroom door. Early in trial, Trump attended several days and spent 1 day on the witness stand as state presented its case. But Thursday was his first appearance since the defense began calling its own witnesses. He will testify again on Monday. He watched carefully Thursday, showing documents to his lawyers and at points slapping the defense table or shaking his head at objections to some of Bartov's statements. During breaks, Trump praised witness attacked the case, which is judging his net worth and threatening to bring down real estate empire White House that catapulted him to fame. This is case that should never have been filed, Trump said as he left that day, calling the trial a witch hunt, election interference and disgrace to America. He accuses top executives, including Mr. Trump, of misleading banks and insurers by providing financial statements that increased his net worth by billions of dollars. Some loans required updated statements every year. Trump denies any wrongdoing and maintains that the number of disclosures actually understates his wealth. He downplayed the importance of the documents in making deals, saying it was clear that lenders and others needed to do their own analysis. And he claims the case was a partisan abuse of power by James and Judge Arthur Engoron, both Democrats. Bartov stated that financial statements are still starting points for lenders and that the documents' value estimates are inherently subjective opinions. The professor said such differences in opinions do not mean there is. He said Trump's financial statements were transparent and unusually detailed, with caveats that Bartov claimed even my 9-year-old grandson would understand. Bartov argued that Trump's leading lender, Deutsche Bank, did the same. Deutsche Bank executives stated that while they generally expect customers to provide accurate information, they often make adjustments to the figures. Internal bank documents show Trump's net worth is significantly lower than his financial statements. But if the bank corrects Trump's reported numbers, what if the reported values are wrong? He said bankers weren't necess.